Hi. So today for our lesson, we're going to be learning about rounding. Have you heard about rounding before? Do you know what rounding is?
Like when you round up, you add. When you round down, you subtract.
Okay, I like where you're going. So basically rounding, we use it all the time to make an estimate. So when you go to the store, you get a bunch of items and you want to round them to make it easier for you to know how much is it going to be. But in order to round, you have to decide where are we going to be rounding to. So for our lesson today, we're going to be rounding to the nearest 10. Do you remember a couple of weeks ago we did a lesson plan on place value?
Mm-hmm.
So you remember your ones?
Tens, hundreds, thousands.
Okay, good job. You remember. So today we're going to be doing it to the nearest 10. We're going to be rounding to the nearest 10. So we have this over here. We have this rounding roller coaster, which is, it has a little song in the middle that we're going to be listening to right now to kind of help us understand a little bit more what this roller coaster means about going up and going down. Have you been on roller coasters before?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to learn about when you're going to go up. If it's 5 or more, you're going to raise the score. But if it's 4 or less, you're going to let it rest. Okay? So let's listen to the song and we're going to sing it together. Yes! Come on. Okay. Are you ready? Let's put it right. Are you ready? Find the place, you look next door. 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, you let it rest. Look to the right, put the zeros inside. We will round you, round you. We will round you, round you. Find a place, you look next door.
5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less,
You let it rest. Look to the right, put the zeros inside. We will round you, round you. We will round you, round you. Good job! You did amazing. You sang that song from your bottom of your heart. I like your attitude to this rounding song. So just like the song says, which we have it right here, if it's 5 or more, you're gonna
raise the score.
and if it's 4 or less,
You
we're gonna let it rest. Okay, so let's look at this number. 73. Can you tell me what number is in the tens place?
The 7.
The 7. So what are we gonna look? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna raise it up.
It says find a place, you look next door. So we found the place, which is the 7. We're gonna look next door. It said 5 or more, you raise the score. If it's 4 or less, you let it rest. So is it 3, 5 or more, or 4 or less?
4 less.
So are we gonna let it rest, or are we gonna raise the score?
Let it rest.
Let it rest. So the 73 is gonna turn into
E70.
a 70. Good job. So now by doing this, by using this roller coaster, we're gonna do an activity together, which I'm gonna give you some popsicle sticks. And in the popsicle sticks, we have numbers, and you're gonna round them. We're gonna be using this cups right here. Let's see if we could get a shot of cups. Okay, we're gonna be using these cups right here. So, can we speed up a little bit more over there so we can get okay. So, you're gonna choose a popsicle. What number did you get?
47.
47. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna find your place. You're gonna look next door. So what's your place? The
The
tens
four?
place. Yes, it's the fourth. Four's in the tens place. And then, so is the 7 5 or more or 4 or less?
5 more.
So are we gonna raise the score or are we gonna let it rest?
Raise the score.
Raise the score. So the 4 is gonna turn into
A 5.
a 5. So that number is a
50.
50. Girl, you put it. Good job. Now let's see you do one. Remember, use your rounding roller coaster. 81. Good job.
91.
91. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Give me 5. You're awesome. Okay, so we are about done with that activity and you did amazing. So can you tell me what kind of helped you out after me explaining that? What kind of helped you out? Was it the song?
Mm-hmm.
5 or more, you raise the score for Let's You Let It Rest. Okay, so I see you get the hang of it. So now we're gonna do this next step, which is clues. So with this one, you're actually gonna be able to get up. You're gonna use the clues that the sentence is telling you, and you're gonna put the letter here. So let's do the first one together, okay? Let me give you, I had given you here a pencil. Okay, here we go. So can you please put your name? And let me fix a little bit over there in the back, because my son was playing with this.
Mommy, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so can you get your paper? Excuse me. Okay. So let's put this over here so we can see what we're doing. Okay. So read to me the first sentence.
Find the number that rounds up to 50.
Okay, find the number that rounds
Up to 50.
Okay, so we're gonna be looking around. Can you find the number that rounds up to 50? There's another number over here on the chair. And there's another. So can you find the number that rounds up to 50? Find the number that rounds up to 50. There's numbers everywhere. Rounds up to 50.
Mm, 83.
83 rounds up to 50.
No.
Let's see. We're looking at the tens place. So is it 3, 5 or more, or 4 or less?
4 less.
Okay, so we're gonna keep. This is gonna turn into a
5. A 0.
and yes, the 3 is gonna turn into a 0, and we're gonna keep the 8. So what is it gonna turn into?
And 80.
So find the number that rounds up to 50. So let's find the number that rounds up to 50. Does this one rounds up to 50? No. Does this one round up to 50?
No.
No. Does 48 round up to 50?
No.
No. Let's see. So 8, the 4 is in the tens place. So we are going to keep the 4. We're going to look next door. So is the 8 5 or more, or 4 or less?
5 more.
5 or more. So are we going to raise the score?
Yes.
Yes. So what is this going to turn into?
15.
50. So do you think that one rounds up to 50?
Yes.
Yes. So what's your clue? What letter did you get?
R.
R. So let's put the R right there. Okay. So now find the number that rounds down to 80. So we're going to find a number that rounds down to 80. So look around. Find a number that rounds down to 80.
This
That one. Does that one round down to 80 or up to 80?
$83.
83. Good job. So 83 rounds down to 80. So what letter did we get here?
O.
Oh, okay. So now, let's look at the other one. Find the number that rounds down to 10. What number rounds down to 10?
12.
12. Does 12 round down to 10?
Yes.
Yeah. What letter is this?
U.
U. Good job. Okay. What does another question say?
Find a number that 33 will round down to.
Okay, find the number that 33 will round down to. So what, rounding 33, what is it going to turn into? Round 33.
You're gonna like add.
So we're going to round 33. What is it going to round into? Can you round that for me?
A 30.
A 30. So what number are we looking for?
A 30.
Oh, let's look. Find our glue, find our glue.
This one.
Yes. What letter did we get here?
N.
And you're doing amazing. Okay. Find a number that 63 will round up to.
60. This one?
Good job! What letter is that?
D.
So what is your secret word? What did we found? What is the magic word? What is the word that we found?
D.
Can you read all of this together?
Round.
Round! That was our secret all along. Good job. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you a, let's see, come on, let's sit down. Yes, you did great. Good job. Now I'm gonna give you a word problem. Do you know what's a word problem?
Yes.
What's a word problem?
A word problem shows you is just like place value, like almost.
A word problem is a problem that contains words. So I'm gonna read to you, or we're gonna show it right here. And we're gonna do it on this piece of paper. So the problem says, Linda sold lemonade during the summer to earn money. Linda earned $46 on Monday, $66 on Tuesday, and $53 on Wednesday. Round how much money she earned to the nearest tenth. About how much money did she make in total? Can you read it?
Linda sold lemonade during the summer to earn money. Linda earned 46 on Monday,
66.
66 on Tuesday, and 53 on Wednesday.